Imagine swapping faces in your photos, videos, or even GIFs in just seconds. And the results look so real, no one can tell it's edited. In today's video, I'll show you a powerful all-in-one face swap tool that delivers flawless results, whether it's a single face, multiple faces, or even HD videos. And the best part? It's so simple that even a complete beginner can use it. Let's get started. Open your browser and head over to videofaceswap.io. You'll also find the link in the description. This is a simple and clean website where you'll find all kinds of face swap tools. In addition, it also offers a variety of AI video tools such as talking avatar, text to video, and image to video. But that's not all. You also get many AI image utilities along with plenty of video effects. In short, it's a complete tool hub that provides almost everything a content creator needs on a daily basis, especially faceless content creators. However, in this video, we'll only be focusing on the face swap tools. Let's start with the AI Photo Face Swap tool. This is a very fast face swap tool, and here you can see its before and after results. The process is very simple. First, you need to upload the image in which you want to perform the face swap. Then, upload the target face, the one you want to bring into the first image. Once both images are uploaded, simply click the Swap Now button. In just a few seconds, the faces will be swapped, and you'll see the results right in front of you. Below the photo, there are 3 buttons where you can restore the face, edit the photo, or download it. The before and after results show how perfectly and professionally it swaps the face. And it's not limited to just one face. You can also swap faces in images with multiple people, such as group photos. Simply upload the image containing multiple faces. The AI will analyze the photo and provide options to upload a separate face for each detected person. Upload the replacement faces for each one, then click Swap Faces. In just a short time, you'll get a perfect output. Without losing any quality, this tool swaps all the faces perfectly. Now let's move on to the Video Face Swap tool. The process is almost the same. First, upload the video where you want to swap faces, then upload the target face that you want to use in the video. For Video Face Swap, there are 3 modes available. Normal, basic quality, uses fewer credits. Smooth, and HD. We'll go with the smooth option. After selecting it, click Swap Faces. This will charge 32 credits for the video. Depending on the length of your video and your internet speed, it may take a little longer, so just be patient. Once the process is complete, there are 2 buttons, one to delete the video and one to download it. The result is absolutely flawless. There's no distortion, no quality loss, and the face blends naturally, while the output remains in full HD. Just like with photos, there's also a multi-face swap tool for videos, which is something most other websites don't even offer. Here, upload a video that contains multiple faces, then click Face Detection. The AI will detect all the faces in the video and give you options to upload replacement images for each face. In this example, there are 2 faces in the video, so I'll upload 2 different face images. Then, we proceed with the face swap, and the result is amazing. Most websites don't allow multiple face swaps in a single video, but this one worked perfectly. The 2 girls' faces in the video have been swapped with the 2 boys' faces, and the blend is so natural that it looks like the original footage. You can even do GIF face swaps here. For example, if you want to add your face to a meme GIF, you can easily do that. Here, I uploaded a meme GIF along with a face image, and after swapping, the result looks great. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Their starter plan is just $10, which gives you 3,000 credits. You can also click on your credits to claim daily free credits. All you need to do is click on Daily Check-in, and it shows that today I'm going to receive 60 free credits, which is more than the previous day. Then you simply click Get Free Credits, and those free credits are added to your account, just like they've been added to mine. Overall, this can be the best tool for beginners because, apart from the face swap tool, you also get many other AI tools. The link to this tool is in the description. Please give it a try. If you found the video informative, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I bring you AI tool videos on a daily basis. See you in the next video.